Hi viewers, so today we are going to see how you can download and install Microsoft Teams application on your Windows desktop. So for this, launch your browser and search for Google, and on the search box you can search for Microsoft Teams download. Open the authorized page from Microsoft, authentic page. So now you are landed into the Microsoft official homepage. So here you can download for desktop or you can download for mobile also as well. So since I'm using a Windows desktop, I'm using a desktop application for Microsoft Windows. So this is how you download Microsoft Teams application onto your desktop. As you can see, now Microsoft Teams application is getting downloaded to your local system. So once you have downloaded Microsoft Teams application to your local computer, so go to your folders button as shown here beside your Windows icon on the left bottom corner. So open your file explorer. So go to your downloads folder. Here you can find your downloaded executable file that you may have just downloaded from the internet. So here I right click this and open this to start the setup for installing Microsoft Teams on your local computer. So as you can see, you will shortly see a pop-up window that will show the progress of installation of Microsoft Teams application in your local computer. So this may take a while. So it may take around 3 to 4 minutes for installing Microsoft Teams application as depending on your computer hardware abilities. So here you can see the progress of Microsoft Teams application installation. So wait for the installation to complete. Thank you.